Ang saya. So happy. Madali lang naman pala kumuha ng Mario timed entry na yan. Kala ko naman kailangan mo mag-race through the gates ng Mario ng Nintendo World.
Always download the Universal Studios
Pero yan,
app.
download the app. You can book your timed entry there.
Once you scan your entrance ticket, makikita nyo na siya sa area time ticket. Tapos, kuhanin nyo na. Get an e-ticket. Naklik ko na si Super Nintendo World. So, Harry Potter na.
Yes. So, doon naman kami mag-try mag-book sa Harry Potter Wizarding World ng time entry pass.
So, once you have an area time ticket, you can do this. Don't scan the band because